welcome. You're watching Last Take on Money9. I'm Sakshi Batra. This is a show where we recap for you the entire market day's trading action, as well as we share with you what are the factors that you need to watch out for and keep in your mind for the next week's trading action as well. Let's quickly keep an eye out on what kind of a closing have we seen for the Indian markets today. आइए देखते हैं कि कहां पर तेजी और मंदी रही है. अगर आप देखेंगे तो बहुत ही मिक्स्ड तरीके की आज क्लोजिंग हुई है. अगर आप बेंचमार्क इंडिसेस की बात करेंगे तो जहां एक तरफ फ्लैटिश टू पॉजिटिव बायस के साथ सेंसेक्स बंद हुआ है 51,544 के लेवल्स पर, वहीं 15,163 के लेवल्स पर निफ्टी बंद होता हुआ नजर आया. केवल 10 अंकों की यहां पर गिरावट थी, यानी कि फ्लैटिश टू नेगेटिव बायस के साथ यहां क्लोजिंग हुई है. अगर आप निफ्टी बैंक में देखेंगे तो एक शार्प अपटेक आज के ट्रेडिंग सेशन में यहां पर देखने को मिला है. एक रिवर्सल देखने को मिला है और 1% की बढ़त के साथ ही निफ्टी बैंक इंडेक्स बंद होता हुआ हमें नजर आया है. 36,108 के लेवल्स पर यहां पर तेजी देखने को मिली है. अगर आप मिड कैप और स्मॉल कैप इंडाइसेस की बात करेंगे तो जो ओवरऑल गिरावट देखने को मिली इन दो पॉकेट्स में भी देखने को मिली है. अगर आप मिड कैप सेक्टर को बात करेंगे तो 19,911 के लेवल्स पर ये बीएसई मिड कैप बंद हुआ है. फ्लैटिश टू पॉजिटिव बायस अगेन, लेकिन स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स में गिरावट के साथ क्लोजिंग हुई है. रिमेंबर दैट इन द फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ ट्रेडिंग सेशन वी हैड बीन सीइंग सम काइंड ऑफ अ बाइंग सपोर्ट फॉर दीज टू segments of the markets. That's a broader market segment for sure, but towards the close we have actually seen some of the gains getting lost towards the close today. Moving on to which kind of a sectoral movement have we seen today? Look at the auto index. That's lost about 0.5% in trade today. It's the financial services though that has supported the markets and stemmed the losses for the markets today, and that was up about 1% in trade. It was the FMCG index that's really dragged the markets today with 1.5% loss over there. The IT index has been up about 0.20% in trade today. However, it's if you look at the media, metals, as well as the pharma space, metals and pharma, those two again indices have been the dragging factors or the laggards as far as the sectoral movers are concerned in today's trading session. Private banks again, some kind of a good move over there, up about 1% in trade today. Moving on to the gainers and losers in this trading session. So Adani Ports has been holding up from about afternoon's trade, 3.5% uptick for this one. ICICI Bank has been a one big, heavyweight stock from the banking sphere, about a 2.5% uptick for this one. That has helped the Nifty IT index, the Nifty Bank index to actually hold up into green. Infosys and Wipro, two stocks from the IT pack that have helped the IT index also to jump up. Axis Bank again has actually jumped up today, 1.5% of an uptick over there at 749 was the closing for Axis Bank today. Moving on to the laggards then, if you look at ITC, that's been a drag on complete for the FMCG index and for the entire broad benchmark index as well. So 3.5 to 4% kind of a loss seen there. Oil and gas space has been seeing some bit of profit booking. GAIL and ONGC down about 2.5% in trade. Pharma space has also been seeing some kind of a profit booking. Sun Pharma definitely down 2.5%. So that's been a dragging factor for the pharma index. Coal India also has been trading down today, 2.5% loss for that one as well. So overall, it has been a choppy session at that, but it was kind of holding on to the green and above 15,200 for the Sensex for the large part of the trading session. But, immediately in the last half an hour of trade, we did see some of the money being pulled off and profit booking actually taking place. And that's why you can see a flattish, close. Otherwise, we were holding up in the green for a large part of the day today. Moving on to what kind of factors will be important to watch out for and triggers that will be important to keep in mind for the markets for the next week. So December manufacturing output will be out today. Also the inflation data and IIP data both are slated to come out this evening. The retail inflation is expected to remain high for this month as per the expectation by the RBI, which had given this outlook for the January inflation in its previous monetary policy meeting. IIP data will be important to track to understand what kind of an improvement have we seen from the previous months with regards to the manufacturing output in the key sectors which are the producing sectors of the country. Q3 earnings, we are actually moving towards just the fag end. Just a few more companies left to come out with their earnings today. 950 companies have been reporting their results, but it will be just over the weekend and 1 or 2 more days when we'll see all the earnings come out, and then it will be back to all fundamentals as usual as well. So that's as far as the market update is concerned. We'll leave you at that, but lots more action to unfold on personal finance front also after this on Money.